Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everyone are doing good. Guys, I want to do something real quick, okay? I have this chair. This is my workout chair that I always use, okay? But I don't like the look. It's very dirty. Today, the workout I did today, like I was so ashamed to show the full chair. But you know what? This is reality. It is what it is, okay? Let me go and wash it so that I'll put it on the sun. The sun is shining so bad, okay? There's a lot of sun, okay? I have the bucket I will be using. I have the bucket, the soap, and the brush, okay? And let's take it out there. Let's go wash it, okay? Let me take you guys along. Okay, let me quickly take some water from there, okay? Take a seat. Okay. All right, look at my soap. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to wash it. The soap. Let's put more soap. Looking good. Okay. I'll just go get clean water and rinse it, okay? Let me go get another water. Okay. I've got a clean water. I'm gonna rinse it. And I'll put it in so let it dry. Alright guys, I'm just gonna leave it out here. I like to dry, then I'll see you guys later when it's dried, okay? Alright guys, this is the final look. The chair is dried. Yeah, now it looks way more better. Thank you all for watching. Bye guys.